Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 3rd, today we will try to solve some questions from EVS, Lesson 2, So many kinds of animals. You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational journey. Best of luck. Question number 1. The mouse and the squirrel are of dash size. First option, large. Second option, medium. Third option, tiny. Fourth option, small.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is small. Question number 2. Dash. Make cobwebs in the house. First option, dogs. Second option, cats. Third option, spiders. Fourth option, mosquitoes.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is spiders. Question number 3. Which of the following animals are used to carry burdens? First option, dogs. Second option, bullocks. Third option, cats. Fourth option, goats.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is bullocks. Question number 4. Dash. Have fins and there are scales on its body. First option, rabbits. Second option, goats. Third option, cats. Fourth option, fish.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is fish. Question number 5. Which of the following animals run very fast? First option, cheetah. Second option, elephant. Third option, ant. Fourth option, goat.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is cheetah. Question number 6. Fish use their dash to breathe in water. First option, fins. Second option, eyes. Third option, gills. Fourth option, scales.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is gills. Question number 7. Which of the following animals do not have any legs at all? First option, snakes. Second option, house lizards. Third option, chameleons. Fourth option, cockroaches.
Here, time starts now.
Correct answer is snakes. Question number 8. How many legs do the houseflies have? First option 2, second option 4, third option 6, fourth option 8.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is 6. Question number 9. Cow have different colors. They may be black, dash, or white. First option, purple. Second option, blue. Third option, green. Fourth option, brown.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is brown. Question number 10. Which of the following birds soar high into the sky? First option, cocks. Second option, eagles. Third option, peacocks. Fourth option, ducks.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is eagles. Question number 11. Which of the following animals have trunk? First option, elephants. Second option, dogs. Third option, cats. Fourth option, hippopotamus.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is elephants. Question number 12. Why do we not like it if there are bedbugs in our house? First option, the bedbugs sound very loud. Second option, the bedbugs eat storage grains. Third option, the bedbugs nibble clothes. Fourth option, the bedbugs suck our blood.
Your time starts now.
The correct answer is the bedbugs suck our blood. Question number 13. Animals which have 6 legs are called. First option, birds. Second option, snakes. Third option, insects. Fourth option, lizards.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is insects. Question number 14. Which of the following animals do not have mane? First option, giraffe. Second option, horse. Third option, lion. Fourth option, none of these.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is none of these. Question number 15. A beetle is an animal that flies. What is it? First option, bird. Second option, insect.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is insect. Question number 16. A parrot has scales on its body. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 17. A cock does not fly very high. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 18. An egret is white. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 19. A house lizard has hair on its body. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 20. A cat is useful for carrying burdens. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is false.
Thank you for watching. Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.